Hi Zeli, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
Thank you, I'm doing fine. And just want to understand about you, Zeli. Where are you from, and what's your profile like?
So I'm from Mizoram.
Mizoram.
Currently I'm living in Bangalore, and
Okay.
I work in Hyatt Centric, Hebel, Bangalore.
Okay, you're working in Hyatt Centric.
Yes,
Okay, very good. And it's in Bangalore, right?
it's in Bangalore. Yes.
Okay. Which department are you working, Ji?
Now I'm working in F&B department
You
as a
working
waiter.
as a waitress.
Yes,
Okay, very
waitress.
good, very good. Okay. How many years of experience you have in like?
So I have 2 years experience in JW Marriott Hotel, Bangalore only.
Oh, very good.
And currently I'm working as in Hyatt Centric Hebel for
Fantastic.
1 year.
Okay.
Yes.
What made you to apply for a passenger ship like?
So I love to travel and I want to see the world around.
Okay.
And that's why, and also I could make like so many friends from different countries.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I want to work in a cruise line.
Okay, I was telling yesterday about you can work with multinational.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
why.
good. And what is your vision like? What do you want to become to get employed in cruise lines? Then
So I want to work like a kind of manager, and also after I have done the cruise ship, after I earn the money, also I would like to do in land like some business and all with my own
very good.
business.
You have a very big vision.
Yes, not only the cruise ship, as a land also.
See, basically, initially when you join, you'll be going and joining as assistant waitress or something as a
Yes.
baby only. Based on your commitment with the company, slowly you progress and you
Yes.
grow higher and
And
higher.
grow my career.
So fantastic. And how is your you are here with SAI Institutions. How is the service over here? How is your placement login has been done? How is your faculties guidelines to you? Can you share a few words?
So I was looking for the cruise job, and I get to know SAI Institution through Mr. Manoj.
Yeah.
And after that, after I came here, I get to know that the staff and everyone are very helpful and very friendly. And especially yesterday that we have some introduction and all. And I learned so many things from you, especially from you. I learned some secret tips and all.
Secret. It's a super secret.
Yes. So that's improved like us, like we can learn so many things from that, like that's improve our knowledge.
Fantastic.
So I learned so many things from here.
You are happy, right?
I'm very happy, and
how about your placement logins on the?
that was very great, and they are very helpful also, and they are ready to help us also.
Yeah.
Whatever problem we have, they are ready to help us. So I
fantastic.
really like the place and the people as well.
Thank you. And I think so. We hope very soon you may get a interview scheduled with multiple companies back to back. My
Yes.
wishes to you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
trusting
sir.
us. Thanks for trusting
Thank you so
us.
much, and thank you so much again. Thank you.